Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit product photos in PhotoRoom. So let's get started. First, open the PhotoRoom application on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within the home page, tap on Start from Photo, then select your product photo from the gallery. As soon as you select the photo, PhotoRoom automatically removes the background and you will see different sections like suggested edits, edit with AI, classic and so on. In the classic section, tap on any preview like white, black, transparent or original image. As you tap on it, it opens the editor where you can fully customize your product photo. First, tap on the layers. Here you will see two options, object and colors. Tap on objects. You can now replace the product image, edit, cut out to refine edges as well as crop the image. Within the colors, you can just change the colors if you want, then tap done. Next, tap on the insert. From here, you can add extra elements from camera roll, cameras, files or use generate to create AI elements. This is useful for adding logos, props or extra images. After that, tap on the text to add text to your product photo. PhotoRoom provides ready-made styles like default styles, labels, cells and so on. You can just choose any styles. Once you select it, you can edit the text. Then if you want to customize the background, tap background. Here you can choose color for solid backgrounds, images to add customs or built-in images, or use erase to fine-tune background edges. If you want to make sure that your product look more realistic, tap on shadows option and you can choose between soft, hard or floating shadows and adjust them to match your design. Lastly, tap resize to adjust your image size so that you can choose custom dimensions, adjust subject size or select preset formats like landscape, portraits, square and many more social media sizes. When everything looks perfect, you can just tap save, then again tap close. This will make sure to successfully download your image, and that's how you can edit product photos in PhotoRoom. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.